Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Sheets tabs in your Google Sheets. Alright, so if you want to delete Google Sheets tabs, here's how to do it. So it's really easy to do. All you have to do is find the Google Sheets tab you want to delete. So let's say it's this one. Then you have two options. You can either right click on the tab you want to delete, or you can also click on this down arrow here. And as you can see, here is the delete option. So if you want to delete this Project Management 2 tab, just right click on the tab and select delete here. As you can see, we also have the option to hide the sheet. In that case, the sheet won't be deleted. It will be just hidden in the Google spreadsheet. But if you want to sure that you want to delete it, just right click on it and select delete and confirm that you want to delete this Google Sheets. Keep in mind that you cannot recover this sheet in that case. If you want to delete multiple Google Sheet tabs, then you can select the sheet you want to delete and then press down Shift on your keyboard and select the other sheets. And if you right click on the selected Google Sheets tabs, you can select delete here and delete 3 sheets at the same time. So click on OK, and as you can see, all Google Sheets tabs have been deleted. So now this is how you can delete a Google Sheets tab or multiple Google Sheets tab in a Google spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.